guys. Hold on. Hey guys. Today is a special episode because, well, I'll be talking with my Destinian. It's a perfect start. It's like a braces sort of, but not really. But today I'll be playing with Weasley's Wizard Wheelies. It's like this little thingy that if you throw it at something, that it'll like stick, but you wanna know something about it? It's fake. See? Yeah. Yeah, now you can definitely see it. It's like this styrofoam stuff. Oh well. Well. I'm going to test it out on a couple of my stuff. Because I was just cleaning the cars and I was like, hey, I haven't played this in like forever. Since like my birthday last year. You could get them in Florida. Not Miami, Orlando. There's a store that just has like all of these Harry Potter inspired stuff, and like it's pretty cool. And so our aunt lives in Florida. She bought these for us for our birthday last year, mine and Kate's birthday. And so we haven't played with the stuff she got us for a while. Like she got us like chocolate frogs and stuff. So it was pretty cool, but here we go. There we go. See that, guys? Hit it clear on the wall. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. See if you can flatten it out. The master at this. There we go. Well, this was really fun to play with, and it's really fun to like squish and to see what's inside it. Like, look, that's like, it looks like styrofoam. Hi. Playing with my Weasley. Catch!
What is it?
You know, you throw it at something and it's supposed to stick. Yeah, so you tuck it out something and it sticks. As I was saying, when my dad interrupted me, this is really fun to play with. I haven't played with it since in like a year. But yeah, these are really cool. If you can find them, buy it if you are a Harry Potter fan. Because A, it's Weasley, like Ron Weasley, and it's really fun. as you guys saw in this video. And special thanks to my aunt for giving me this, and special thanks to all you guys for watching and subscribing. Even though I only have 1 subscriber, so let's get up to 10. I know usually it's like a million or stuff, but I just started making videos like a week ago, or a month ago, or like 2 months ago. And I only have like 2 or 1 subscribers. I don't check that way, so thanks for watching!